Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas and how to solve by using AutoCAD software. The problem number 115. A rectangular plate of negligible thickness of size 35 mm by 20 mm has a shorter edge in VP with that edge inclined at 40 degrees to HP. Draw the top view if its front view is a square of 20 mm side. So to solve this problem, so here first we will go to this final solution. So wherein this is the final solution which we need to draw by using the software. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So you type limits. So here specify lower left corner 0, 0, enter upper right corner 297, 210. Specify upper right corner 297, 210. Then enter. Then zoom all. So to do that, first we'll go for a line command. Click on lower left corner of the sheet and click on the first button of the mouse and take the mouse towards the right side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse again. Take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and press enter. Then go to offset. Offset distance is 297. You type 297 here. Select the vertical line and offset to the left side and again go to the offset. Take the distance as 210. Enter. Select this horizontal line, offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends, then zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, and similarly between this line and this line, similarly between this and this. Now we'll go for a layer command. Command is layer. Click on new layer, type the layer by name XY. Then again click on new, type the layer by name front view, and click on new layer, type the layer by name top view TV. Now then go to layer 0. Since the layer 0 contains the projector lines having the line weight of 0.05, so you set the line weight of layer 0 as 0.05. Then go to XY line, make the XY layer as 0.13 and say front view we're going to have a 0.5, and similarly we're going to have the top view as 0.5. Once you do that, say OK. Then go to top view and take this as a magenta color and click on OK. Then the front view will going to have blue color and say OK. And then finally you close this. Now we will going to draw first one line. Now first we are going to solve this. Draw a rectangle of 20 mm by 35 mm in the front view. So you just take some point. So take some distance and again you click on this and go to offset. Take the distance as 35. So go to offset, take the distance as 35. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Again go to take the distance as 20. Select this and offset here. Then go to fillet between this line and this. Similarly between these two and similarly between these two. Once you do that, so now you get a rectangle. Once you get this, now just move this and place it wherever you want. Then go to line. So draw a horizontal line of some distance. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, draw a line INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this, similarly between these two. Once you do that, then you just take this as the front view and this as the top view. So to do that, you just select these 4 lines, go to layer, click on front view, then escape. Similarly, this line, you just go to layer, make that layer as top view. Once you do that, so go to line weight display and open it. Now again, in the second position, you create a square of 20 mm side. So to do that, so you just go to line, take a line from intersection point and then draw a line. Go to here, take this and go to line, take nearest point on this and draw perpendicular to this line. So once you do that, so you need to create a square of 20 mm side. So go to offset, take the distance as 20. So you select this line and offset, then go to fillet between this and this between this, and so here, then go to break this line first point, so take int of this and take intersection and break, go to this first point, take int of this and select this point. Then we will going to take these two and these two. Once you do that, so go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then we go for a line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, and then we draw a line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then you take this line, take int of this and draw a vertical line to the top view. Then you take this distance, which is the distance which is going to be 35 mm, and then go to draw a circle, take int of this, take the radius as 35, and then go to break this line from here to here, and similarly from here to here. Then go to erase this line. So go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. So then you select this line, go to layer, make that layer as top view. So once you do that, you will going to get this line here. Now we need to rotate this by an angle of 40 degrees. So to do that, so go to copy, select this entire thing and you copy it to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this and you rotate this with reference to this rotation angle by what angle you want it, by 40 degrees. So we need to rotate by, since this line is vertical and you need from vertical the angle to be rotated in the counterclockwise direction is 50 degrees, so that to the horizontal you will going to get 40. So since it is the clockwise anti-clockwise direction, so it is positive, so you will going to get this angle which is 40 degrees now. So once you do that, now we go for dim. So take angular between this line and this line. So here you will going to get it as 40 degrees. So you can see here. So then go to erase. I will just erase this. Then go to dim. Go to angular. Select between this line and this line. So go to text. So text angle is 40 degrees. You can see here this is the 40 degrees. So obviously the rotation is correct now. So now we need to project and write the top view. So from this point you draw XY line, from this point also it is to the XY line, and from these 2 points below this it will be projected till here. So to do that, so just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Once you do that, then again go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then go to fillet between this line and this. So now go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Similarly line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to zoom window. So here go to break this line first point, take int of this and take at the rate, and similarly break first point, take int of this, take at the rate, then go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. So once you do that, now we need to change this. So to change this, you just select between these 4 lines and select this layer, make this layer as top view. Once you do that, so here then you just go to line command, draw a line from here and draw a horizontal line. Then go to break this line till here. So now you just click over this and you take this and you take this, go to layer, make that layer as XY line, change it to XY line. So now we go to DDIM. So go to modify and go to primary units, make the decimal as 0. Then go to text, align with the dimension line, take the text height as 3. Then center becomes above, then offset from the dimension line as 3. Then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3. Then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 3. Then go to OK and say close. Now we go for dim. Then you take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. So you're going to get this dimension as 35. Then go to zoom window, select nearer to the screen, then go to dim. So take one intersection of this, take int of this. So you're going to get it as 20 mm. Similarly, int of this. So take int of this and take intersection point of this. So here it becomes bar of 20. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you are going to get it as 40 degrees. Once you do that, now we will go for the dtext. Go to dtext. So put the caps lock on. So type, take the height as 3, type it as X. We want it as VP and we want it as HP. And here you mark it as Y. So then switch off the caps lock, type A dash, here you type B dash, here you type C dash, and here you type D dash. Once you do that, then here you small a, B, and then bracket C, and here you make it bracket D. Once you do that, then go to enter, switch off the auto mode, go to move. So take X, then go to VP, move this VP. So you make this HP also. Then go to Y, then go to break. And similarly, on this side, you break it, then go to move, then A dash, then B dash, then C dash, then D dash. Then here you make it as A, you make it as B, you make it as C, and you make it as D. Then you select this entire thing, go to layer, make that layer as top view, and you select A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and VP. And go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then go to copy this A dash here. Once you rotate that A dash, it will come here. Similarly, B dash, and this B dash will once you rotate like this, so this B dash will be here. Then you want C dash, so go to copy, select this C dash here, and that C dash will come here, and we have D dash, and that D dash will come here. Now you go to copy, take A, sorry, then go to copy, take A, copy this here, A, you take B, copy this here, then you take C, copy here, then D, you copy this here. Similarly, here you mark it as dtext, you take this as A, you take this as D, you type this as C, and this as B now. Once you do that, then go to move this here, then C, then D, then A. So then just go to A, B, C, D and change the layer to the top view. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing in AutoCAD. So you just go to zoom window, you take this and bring it near the screen and zoom 0.7x. So once you get this, so this is how this will going to be the final solution. So what you have here and what you are getting here is one and the same. So this is your final solution. Thank you.